Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, hello, my name is Diamond Janae here on YouTube. I do hair reviews, makeup videos, all that type of fun stuff. So I cannot do my intro no more. I have not filmed in a grip, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. We gonna get this right. We gonna get this right. Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your first time seeing me. Hello, my name is Diamond Janae here on YouTube. I do hair reviews, makeup videos, all that type of fun stuff. So if that's the type of stuff that you guys are into, definitely consider subscribing to your girl down below. So in today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I will be reviewing the Fenty Beauty Skin Tint, and you guys do not understand how excited I am to review this item. So basically, before I apply this product, I basically just wanted to go on the website quick just to make sure that I wasn't forgetting anything. But basically, this is the Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint, light to medium coverage, blends and blurs to instant perfection, light as air, 25 flexible shades for all. Now I will say Rihanna is known for having a very wide shade range, and the fact that she came out with 25 shades in a skin tint is saying a lot. Another thing I will say as well though too, because this video to me, I'm trying to focus it more on the product itself, so the other additional products that I will be using I'm not really going to mention in this video. But if you guys check out my Instagram, which I will leave somewhere here or down below for you guys to check out, I am basically just going to do like a quick little like Instagram reel, basically showing you guys all the products that I did use. But yeah, let's get on to the good stuff. So I zoomed you guys a little bit more in, you know, a little more up close and personal. So I'm basically just gonna give this a really good shake, and then I'm just gonna apply it, which I'm excited for. Y'all don't understand. Your girl's hype. Okay, so I basically put a little bit of dots on my face. So your girl, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm multitasking right now. I'm doing the Instagram video and this video at the same time. So basically, I also have more in my hand as well, and I'm basically just gonna start blending that product out. My bad guys, I definitely forgot to even tell you guys what shade I was even in, but of course I'll leave that down below as well. But your girl is in the shade 15. That's what I got shade match to be, because mind you, I already have their hydrating foundation, which is like my perfect shade. So I basically did like the quick little shade test drawing that Rihanna has on the website, which I appreciate so very much because it just makes things so much easier. But long story short, in this shade, I got shade matched to the shade 15. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, like even the way the bottle looks, I was a little bit nervous because I was like, wait a minute, like this looks a little bit too like cool tone to what I'm usually used to, because like I have really warm undertones, so I was a little bit nervous. But I was like, you know what, push comes to shove, I can always just send it back. And lo and behold, like as I'm blending everything out, it actually does look like my shade, which I'm very happy about. I am just gonna apply a little bit more to the right side of my face just because I feel like I didn't get enough on there. But so far so good. Like it's not like you can't see a giant difference, but it's there, at least to me. Like this side compared to this side, I don't know, because like I feel like on this side you can still see like a little bit more discoloration and texture, and this side looks a little bit more smooth. But again, I am going to go in with another layer just to kind of see what it's giving and go from there. I basically just wanted to kind of show you guys what it looks like in natural-esque lighting, and it actually matches my skin pretty good. And mind you, this is before I apply anything else, and as you guys can see, the head to neck ratio is not bad at all. So far so good. And I also did do a video of me doing it in like natural lighting on my phone, just so you guys wanted to see that as well, because as a lot of you guys know, natural lighting can be very different than studio lighting. But this is what my skin is looking like right now, and I really like it actually, because it's weird, because like in my studio lighting, I feel like it's because I have so many like white lights that it's kind of like when I look in the camera my face looks okay, but then when I look in front of me I feel like I have like a slight like, not gray cast, it's just, it's not like, I don't know, like I'm used to my makeup looking more warmer than this, but then when I go actually in like actual like daylight and like actual like natural lighting, perfect match. So if you are the shade 350, because I do know like obviously there's a couple shades that I can like go with because it is a skin tint, but if you're 350, 1010%, your shade is going to be 15. Do not be scared because it looks cool tone, because even in the bottle and also when you like actually take it out the dropper, it does look very cool tone slash neutral to me. And again, I'm used to my makeup being more on the warmer side of things, but definitely this does, that's kind of weird, but it still matches as good as it does. Like I don't know, like I mean, hey, listen, as long as it works and I'm happy, I don't gotta send this drawing back to get another shade. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, so far so good. I'm basically just gonna finish out the rest of my makeup. I'm not gonna do anything too heavy, of course, because this is supposed to be like a no makeup look type of thing, and the main part of this video is supposed to be about the skin tint itself. So what I'm gonna do is finish out the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna jump back on camera to show you guys kind of the final results. All right guys, so I'm back, full face and everything okay, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, like your girl is feeling herself. Like I basically, the only thing I really did is that I applied like bronzer, I put concealer on, all that fun stuff. Like I mentioned before, if you guys check out my Instagram, I basically listed all the products that I use and also showed you guys as well, because again, this video I want it to be more focused towards the skin tint itself. But as you guys can see, this is the finished look, and your girl is pretty happy with it. Like it feels lightweight. Like even though I did add a couple of additional products to kind of finish out the look, I feel like everything still looks pretty nice and natural as well. It's kind of like a your skin but better type of situation. So as of now, we'll see what happens. The current time right now is 5:40. So I'm probably gonna come back in about another 4 or 5 hours and basically kind of like see and kind of check in to see like how the makeup's looking, how everything's holding up, all that fun type of stuff. So long story short, I just wanted to kind of jump on here quick. So funny story, right? You know, because I wouldn't be me if I didn't end up being stupid and do this. But long story short, I was editing the video for the skin tint, and I saw that I said I was gonna do a wear test. Honest to goodness, I don't even know how I forgot.
Stop it. Get some help.
But I did wear that face of makeup, I would say, until around like 10ish when I had to go to sleep. And honest to goodness, I did not remember that I had to jump on and show you guys what it looks like after the fact. So here I am about 2 days later, basically with the exact same way my makeup looked in the video, except I used the Cover FX highlighter instead of the Water Beauty highlighter. But other than that, I basically did everything else exactly the same. And at this point, I've been wearing this makeup look, I will say, for about 3.5 to 4 hours now. So that's the reason why my hair might look slightly different. I got different clothes on because I just got done shooting the review on the Sanache hair wig, which will be up on Thursday because this video is gonna go up first, and I don't know why I keep doing this, but I keep doing this, so yeah. But yeah, so as you guys can see, this is basically what my makeup is looking like right now. It doesn't look, to me, it doesn't look crazy. It basically just looks like the standard, like, you had your makeup on for a couple hours. Like, it doesn't really look bad to me at all. I feel like it's kind of like the regular, like, standard wear. I will say I do feel like the skin tint did oxidize just a tad bit, which to me, I don't mind it, because considering the fact that, again, I have warm undertones, so I didn't mind it. But if you're somebody that naturally has like really like cool or like neutral undertones, this might not be the product for you. But it doesn't oxidize a crazy amount, but it does oxidize just a little bit. So far so good. So I actually really do like this product. Like I said before, this product doesn't feel heavy whatsoever on my face, even though I did apply a bunch of other products on here as well. I will say as well, I feel like, because the first time I put it on, I blended it out with my fingers, but today when I have put it on, I actually have blended it out with my Juno & Co foundation brush. I honestly feel like the skin tint looks way better if you use your favorite foundation brush compared to your fingers, but that's just my personal opinion. So I will say that as well. With the brush, I like it better. I feel like the application's smoother. I feel like it's way less messy, obviously, but I also feel like you get more of like a nice even tone instead of like a bunch of like random spots low-key here and there. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. If you guys have any additional makeup products or anything like that, or even hair that you guys are curious about me reviewing, definitely let me know down below, because your girl needs help with some video ideas, okay? Like, I'm trying to be more consistent, and I hope you guys have a great day or evening or whatever time you guys happen to be watching this, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. So.